sa Friday siya. So, I will be discussing about the program, kung ano pong mangyayari sa araw na yon. So basically, yung lahat ng mga PhilCom organizations magkakaroon ng parade. So, yun ang pinakaunang gagawin natin. So, we are requesting all the club organizations na mag-confirm sa ating communications director kay Matt. So, 4 to 6 members po ang magpaparade. So, lahat yan, magpaparada tayo. And then, meron ding mga Filipino clubs presentations. Pero mga ilan lang namang clubs kasi hindi natin ma-accommodate lahat. So, magpapalabas sila ng mga iba-ibang mga variety shows. And then we will have also yung mga Filipino schools na meron silang dance festival. So yung 4 na schools, magpa-participate sila, yung UIPS, TPS, FEPS, at saka NFPS. And we will have as well OPM Music Festival at meron din tayong palarong Pinoy. Tapos merong free ice cream from London Dairy. So lahat ng mga
lamig.
Kaya nga, lahat ng mga pupunta merong free ice cream.
Gaano kadami yun? Baka isang ganun lang, kutsarita.
Sa lahat daw, di ba?
Yung paborito niyong pinipig.
Oh my God!
So lahat daw, bibigyan ng ice cream.
Anong oras yan?
And then meron din tayong raffle round trip tickets. To Manila. Kaya lang, ibibigay ito towards the end. So, dapat nandoon kayo hanggang sa matapos. And then, meron pa tayong mga surprise raffle draws pa. Maraming mga pa-raffle tayo from Western Union sa ating major sponsor at sa LBC. And then, may surprise celebrity guest tayo. Si Rachel Landgo. At meron pang...
Hindi na surprise yun.
May local comedian tayo.
Hindi, meron pang comedian, no?
Local. That's good para makilala sila dito.
So, yun po. Tapos, meron tayong yung MC natin, si Rico, DJ Rico, and then DJ Kyla, and then we have as well si Emil Barcinilla.
Okay.
Tapos, meron ding, I think may surprise number din yung mga governing council.
That's wonderful.
Oo, nagagawin namin. So, masaya po talaga. So, from morning hanggang gabi tayo, sama-sama tayong lahat sa Sabil Park.
Anong pinagkaiba nito, Alan, sa last time na bayanihan?
Masasabi ko lang, kaibahan nito is, we are trying to make it more of a fiesta atmosphere talaga. No? That's why may ice cream.
Gano'n pala, ano.
Okay.
Di ba may mga Changi rin yata to, di ba?
Meron din tayo mga Changi. Okay. Now, bago kong kalimutan, ano?
Sige lang.
We cannot have this event without the support of our major sponsors. Western Union, and then we have also our associate partners, yung Camellia Homes. They are also sending their representations from Manila. They are flying in tomorrow morning.
Question,
yes.
Sa raffle hindi part yung libreng bahay? Walang
we are looking forward by Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Sige, continue.
They might be our major sponsor.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Continue.
I hope he is listening now. Okay, and then associate partner natin ang OSN, of course. Sila ang nagdala sa ating artista. And then meron pa tayong partner na yung support partners, yung Emirates Airlines, no? At ang hari ng padala. Malaki ang naitulong sa atin itong bagyong Sindong, yung hari ng padala, yung LBC. And then Anlin also, they have been our partners for several years. And of course, ang ating mga media partners, number 1, FEME.
Thank you.
And Dubai Eye 103.8, Daddy Blue. Of course.
Peter Roy.
Sir. And ang Kabayan Weekly natin, Tunog Pinoy, Ilustrado, of course, Radio Rewind, and what's this?
Tunog Pinoy.
Tunog Pinoy.
Na-mention mo
na. Medyo mata natin, medyo
Illustrado.
Illustrado, yes. So, hindi ko napapahabain ang aking litanya kasi bukas babalik ulit kami dito.
Okay.
Yes, bukas, So, ganun pa man, I want to invite all the Filipinos dito sa Dubai and Northern Emirates. Lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon na pumunta kayo sa Biyernes at sumama kayo sa ating fun during the whole day.
It's more fun
It's
in
more fun.
Sabile Park.
It's more fun in Sabile Park.
Cherry, may dagdag ka pa? Ano pang...
Bali sa Mega Ball po sa Gate 1 kasi nga gusto namin isa lang yung
Gate
entrance.
1. Sa may...
Gate 1.
May itisalat,
bayad to,
itisalat.
Diba? Pagpasok, magbabayad sila.
Hindi, yung
right?
sa park lang, yung 5 dirhams
entrance,
na park fee.
Standard
Pero of
price.
course, yung show free siya. So, dapat mag-register po kayo para magkaroon kayo ng raffle.
Okay.
Okay.
Dapat mag-register kayo
Tama.
and then we will be distributing as well souvenir program.
So, Gate 1, sa tabi ng itisalat, di ba?
Yes.
Sa likod ng may petrol station.
Correct.
Doon lang dapat papasok para at least makontrol
Makontrol.
natin yung yung registration.
Yung number na sinabi ni Matt na mabilis kanina, anong number ni Matt?
050.
Okay.
Pakisulat lang ng mga nakikinig ngayon. 050-2131-481.
Yun number ni Matt.
Yun ang number ni Matt.
Okay.
050.
2131-481.
Okay.
Okay. Ngayon, meron ka pa itadagdag?
Sige, meron pa kayong ano?
Yung
You can still
mga
announce.
ibang contacts po, kasi marami naman kami dito, pwedeng tawagan din nila tong si Lenny, yung aming events director, 050
Okay.
8792-598. Tapos nga po si Matilyn na 050-2131-481. Tapos ako po si Cherry, 055-5291-830. And then si Engineer Albert Suerte, 050-722-4036. At si Miss Wafa, 050-659-3767. So ito po lahat yung mga contact details.
Okay. So tomorrow pala babalik kayo ano pa ninyo to?
Yeah.
Okay.
We will talk about further details bukas.
Yung isang ni-recommend ko, naka-book na yata sila yung Euromovers Express, sina Shari.
Tama.
Okay. Sa mga sa Tiangge.
Kasama sila.
Very good. Very good.
Marami tayong magtsatsyangge sa Biyernes, and then marami din mga kakanin doon. Basta yung ice cream ang pinakamasarap doon.
Sa lamig na to, panahon na to.
Ay, sige. Yun po ang ating mga kaibigan, mga officers po ng Filipino community ng Dubai at Northern Emirates. Pinanguna ni Alan Bacason, is the President. Then si Matt, Vice President and Chairman ng Committee on Communications. Tapos ang Secretary, si Engineer Cherry Pai Torres Sablan. Thank you very much. At ingat kayo. So, babalik po kami.
Stay in the loop on your morning commute with the UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast.
Hi, this is Brandy Scott. Tomorrow morning on the Business Breakfast, we'll be looking at the hot issue of service fees. We'll be speaking to a specialist from the law firm Taylor Wessing at 7:15. We'll be talking about what developers can and can't do when it comes to levying service fees and what rights tenants have if they disagree with the charges. If you have any questions for this discussion, please text us in on 4001 and make sure that you're listening to the Business Breakfast tomorrow from 6 a.m.
The Business Breakfast with Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6, only on Dubai Eye 103.8. Serious about business.
It's time for the Standard Chartered Dubai Marathon 2012. Register online now at dubaimarathon.org for the full marathon 10k road race or 3k fun run. All starting and finishing in the spectacular Emaar Boulevard, downtown Dubai, overlooking Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. On Friday, January the 27th, the Standard Chartered Dubai Marathon 2012. Supported by the Dubai Sports Council, Dubai Holding, Emaar, Adidas, TNT, Sport 360, Plan B, Fitness First, Dubai Police, the RTA and Dubai Eye 103.8. See you at the start.
If love is a chemical reaction, chemistry has a good chance to make the world a more harmonious place. It finds secret formulas to unite rather than separate. It works so that experiment after experiment, plasters end up loving the water, cereals can survive pests, and even cars and city centers get along better. Chemistry ultimately creates good relationships between people and whatever they need in their lives. That's how we create chemistry. BASF. The chemical company. To learn more, simply Google BASF.
In Beijing, bicycles mean transport. In London, bicycles mean recreation. And in Dubai, bicycles are all about exercise. HSBC understands that the right knowledge can unlock more possibilities for your business. Our global network and relationship managers in over 60 countries and territories make it easy to pursue fresh opportunities. HSBC Business. Find out more at hsbc.ae. HSBC Bank Middle East Limited is regulated by the Jersey Financial Services Commission. Terms and conditions apply.
Filipino Rhythm with Alansari Exchange. Your first choice for all your financial needs.
Kayo pa rin yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Kanina po, naging guest po natin na 3 officers po ng Filipino community ng Dubai at Northern Emirates. At bukas po, babalik sila para i-promote uli yung bayanihan or fiesta in Dubai sa Friday. Nandito na 2 guest uli natin, si Luz tapos si Tess.
Pero pakiramdam ko parang dumaan yung bagyo. Parang,
ang bilis.
Diba? Parang kaninang lalim-lalim na parang sa ibutura ng puso ni Luz ang pinag-uusapan. Biglang may umupo, biglang nagsalita ng fiesta, fiesta, fiesta. Well, anyway, maraming salamat at pinaunahan nila tayong pumunta dito.
Ingat kayo pag-uwi pala.
Oo, at it's so good to see them, no? Ito yung mga Philcom leaders na maraming sakripisyo para sa ating mga OFWs na gusto lang mabigyan ng fiesta, kasiyahan. Again, it's a choice. Okay, gusto kong bumalik muna kay Mami Tess. Mami Tess, kanina nagbigay ka ng mga tips, right?
Yep.
So, marami ka pa bang naitagong mga tips dyan para naman yung mga nakikinig ay mabigyan talaga ng iba pang pagkakataon na magkaroon ng choices sa buhay? Lalo na pag financial matters ang pinag-uusapan.
Ganito naman na yun. Never be afraid of failure. Kahit naman sino mga doktor, engineer, mga matataas kung ano-ano na yung mga posisyon, they have failed. And experiencing what failure is and learning from it.
All right.
And standing up, that's what makes us stronger. So we just need to face the reality that life is not easy. Success doesn't come like, overnight. Yeah, correct, Luz. So it doesn't come. So you have to work for it. You have to sacrifice. You have to discipline yourself in whatever small way and in a quantifiable way also. You have to be practical, as I said earlier.
You kept on talking about sacrifices. What sacrifices have you done in your life? Kung bakit nandito ko ngayon, isa kang napakagandang ale. No? Daddy Blue,
Daddy Blue.
Fashionable.
Yes. Kahit si kanina napagsabi, wow, I like
Si James, nag-comment.
Si James, nag-comment naman. Meron akong fans. Ano naman?
So, what sacrifices you have done in your life na, nagpatatag sa iyo?
I have been, only na separated ako sa husband ko, nasa Manila siya. We've been together all these years sa Papua New Guinea where I met him. But because now we are approaching our twilight years, I should say.
Huwag naman twilight.
I know, aging gracefully na lang. Ganito. So, ang ipinaghahandaan naman is yung para sa retirement. Yung gano'n na. Kasi iba-iba yung stages in life. Yung mga bata-bata pa, iba yung nila priority. Kasi mga 30s, 40s, mga 50s. So, kahit mga iba nakikita mo dito, may ng 60s or past 60s nandito pa rin. So, iba-iba yung mga pinaghahandaan natin. So, iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin. So, ako naman is I sacrifice kasi hindi ako sanay na hindi magtatrabaho.
Okay.
So, I mean, if there is still a chance to work and be proactive and be of service to the community.
Which is what you are doing now.
Yes, being part of, the organization of certified public accountants here, we try to impart whatever trainings we can. Not only to the CPAs, but to the general public as well.
Interesting. So, Ma'am Luz, kayo naman po. Okay, balik tayo dun sa mga ina-empower mong mga Filipino. Ba't hindi lang Filipino, di ba?
Oo. Iba't ibang lahi.
Again, let me ask you, itong mga ibang lahi na nakikinig sa iyong mga trainings, paano kanila ina-accept?
Kasi ang kultura, na pinopromote namin sa trabaho is we celebrate difference. We have some certain behaviors and ways na dapat maging evident sa behavior ng mga empleyado. So, it's part of celebrating difference. Alam nila na ang trabahong papasukan nila iba't ibang lahi. So, they have to welcome it with open arms. Ganun.
Okay, so kung let's say may nakasabay ka sa elevator. This is the elevator pitch, ika nga. Okay? Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa isang Filipino na bigla mo siyang nakasabayan, no? At nakita mong lulug-mulug, yung
mumukmuk?
Hindi, it's more like, mababa ang shoulder niya. Alam mong dumaan sa isang bagyo sa buhay.
Ala, Nora Honor na.
Mukhang fan ka ni Nora Honor.
Bicolano eh.
Gano'n? Oo. Baka Vilma kayo, mga taga-Bataga. Okay. So, ano ang sasabihin mo? Elevator pitch, etong sasabihin